everyone. Good afternoon. Robin Cooper here, and the name of the song today is called Deja Vu, and it is in the style of a musical. So I kind of got away from jazz and rock today and went into more of a musical, like you would see a play in a theater. So I do enjoy to write that genre as well. I love different plays. I saw Pippin when I was just a little girl, and that was a fabulous play. And also wanted to see Wicked, but unfortunately I don't drive and I don't fly, and so I didn't go see it. But maybe one day I'll get to go see it, so that would be on my bucket list. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Want to ask that you please share with a friend if you like my stuff. For those of you who are sharing, thank you so much. So much appreciate that. Thank you so much for your help. But need more help. Got to get those views up. If you can help me, that would be fantastic. Also, I want to thank you for your time and your views, and for your support and enthusiasm. Very much appreciate that. And I hope you enjoyed today. And here we go with the song called Deja Vu. Have you ever felt the sensation of deja vu? Know you, maybe I have too. Maybe I have too. When we went on vacation, we hadn't been there before. But as we walked around, I had the sensation, familiarity, as if my brain knew much more. Deja vu. Have you ever felt the sensation of deja vu? Know you. Have I? Have you? Have I? Have you? Have you ever felt the sensation of deja vu? No, maybe I have. Have you? Have you? Oh, what a sensation. It makes you feel a little weird inside. It makes you feel a little weird inside. We had gone to a place to pick up flowers. We had never been there before. So how did I know that they had a blue door? Had a blue door. Have you ever had the sensation of deja vu? Not me. How about you? Not you. Maybe I had once or twice. Maybe I had once or twice. Have you ever had the sensation of deja vu? Not me. How about you? How about maybe I have too. It's not like it's something you want to admit. I know that there's some things in life unexplainable. I know that there are some things in life unexplainable. I know that there are some things in life unexplainable.